Hey guys, welcome back, and today I am doing an unboxing video of the Icons of the Realms Monster Pack Cave Defenders. So, let's get started. Alright, so we'll take a look at this. So, this pack comes with 3 kobolds, 2 bugbears, and 1 ogre. So, first I'm going to be checking out the kobolds. Alright, first up we have the I don't know if you can see that. But well, you can't really see it, but this is the kobold archer. So it has a bow and arrows, and it looks really cool. Really like it. It has a lot of really nice details, like really nice details. Because it's really tiny. I don't think I could get all those details on myself if I made one. Well, if I painted one. Just really tiny, intricate details. So that is pretty cool. Alright. Next up we have the kobold with a spear. So I really wish you guys could see because it's really nice. So I'll probably just show you a video at the end of these guys to where you can see them good. So this one also has very nice intricate details. Nothing is bent on it. Looks really nice. So that's cool. Let's see. Spear kobold. Then next we have the sword kobold. And so same very intricate details. And a nice sword. So yeah. Pretty nice. Alright, so those are all the kobolds you get in this set. Now we're going to move on to the bugbears. So, first up we have the mace bugbear. So you might be able to see this a little better. No, not really. So this guy is really cool. He has a lot of intricate details. Really good paint job. So nice like the others. Alright. Now, well, next, we have the kobold with an axe. So he is really cool. These just have really, really good intricate details that you would not get if you painted them yourself. So, that is the bugbears. Really like them. And last, and definitely not least, we have hold on. It's a little hard to get out the box. Thought when I blew it up it would be easier to get out of the box, but oh, yes it was. Alright. Ooh, he looks so cool. Alright. You can see this one a lot better. I really, really think he's really cool. I really like him. He is the ogre. He's really cool. Very useful when playing D&D. He's kind of like a mini boss that you can throw in for your players to fight. I am a dungeon master most of the time when playing with my friends, and we can only play on FaceTime because, you know, but really cool. Oh, I love this so much. Alright, well, my rating on this, from 1 to 10 stars, I rate it a full 10. Very, very nice miniatures. I love them, and I will definitely break them out in a lot of my games. So, now we are going to show you each of them individually, where you can see them. Good. So, alright, so here's the recap. This is the this is the sword kobold. Really nice. Get it to where you can see it really clear. So yeah, really, really nice. And then we have the bow kobold. Also really nice. You can't see it perfect, but sorry. Sorry, you can't really see it that well. Ah! There we go, that's kind of a little better. Then we have the Spear Kobold. Oh, gosh, you can't even see it, sorry. There we go. The Spear Kobold. Oh. And that's all the kobolds. Then we have the Bugbear. Really nice. Really cool. Very nice. Oh, that is the Mace Bugbear. Then we have the Axe Bugbear. Really nice as well. And finally, the Ogre. This one is probably my favorite. So, yeah. Really nice. Really nice. So, thanks for watching. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and like. Oh, sorry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, like this video if you liked it. Pretty self-explanatory. And it really helps me out when you just give it a thumbs up. So, please just give it a thumbs up. You don't have to. I'm not saying you have to. Just if you want to. And, subscribe if you want to see more videos. I have a few videos at my channel. By the time you're watching this, there might be a lot. But yeah, so try and see if you can go check out my channel. Yeah, I have a lot of videos on there. Well, not a lot, just a few, but I'm trying to make and upload a video every day, so yeah. So, also, don't forget to click that notification bell. It will notify you of my videos whenever I make a new one. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, and peace out.